Did you know that a whopping one-third of Americans live in rental housing? That's right, millions of people are constantly on the lookout for a place to call home. In this competitive market, finding the perfect apartment can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, but don't worry, with the right approach, you can land the rental of your dreams. This guide is here to equip you with the knowledge and strategies to navigate the often overwhelming world of apartment hunting. We'll delve into the common challenges you might encounter, provide practical solutions, and even share some personal anecdotes to keep you motivated. The journey might seem daunting, but remember, you're not alone. Millions have braved this path before you, and with a little preparation and the right mindset, you'll be signing that lease in no time. So let's dive in and demystify the art of finding your perfect apartment. Finding the right apartment isn't just about having a roof over your head, it's about creating a space that truly feels like home. It's a place where you can express your personality and style, a sanctuary where you can unwind and be yourself. It's about finding a place that complements your lifestyle, caters to your needs, and provides a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you love hosting friends, need a quiet space to work, or want a cozy corner to read, the right apartment can make all the difference. Imagine coming home to a cozy apartment that reflects your personality, where you can relax and recharge after a long day. The right apartment can positively impact your well-being, influencing your mood, productivity, and overall happiness. It's not just about the physical space, but also about the environment it creates for you. Picture yourself in a well-decorated living room surrounded by things you love, or in a quiet corner with a good book. These moments of peace and comfort are what make an apartment truly feel like home. It's a place where you can create memories, whether it's cooking a meal in a modern kitchen or working from home in a bright, inspiring space. The right apartment can positively impact your well-being, influencing your mood, productivity, and overall happiness. A well-designed space can boost your creativity and efficiency, making it easier to tackle daily tasks and achieve your goals. It's a place where you can thrive both personally and professionally. On the flip side, settling for a subpar living situation can lead to unnecessary stress and discomfort. A cluttered, poorly lit apartment can make you feel overwhelmed and drained, affecting your mental and physical health. It's important to recognize the impact your living environment has on your overall well-being. A long commute, a noisy neighborhood, or a lack of essential amenities can take a toll on your mental and physical health. These factors can add to your daily stress, making it harder to relax and enjoy your time at home. It's crucial to consider these aspects when choosing an apartment, as they can significantly affect your quality of life. That's why it's crucial to approach apartment hunting with a clear vision of what you're looking for. Take the time to define your priorities and understand your non-negotiables. Consider factors like location, amenities, and layout, and think about how they align with your lifestyle and needs. Define your priorities, understand your non-negotiables, and don't settle for anything less than a space that truly feels like your own. Remember, your apartment is more than just a place to live. It's a reflection of who you are and what you value. Make sure it supports your well-being and enhances your daily life. The quest for the perfect apartment often involves juggling three key factors: budget, location, and amenities. Each of these elements plays a crucial role in determining the best fit for your lifestyle and financial situation. It's a delicate balancing act, and finding the sweet spot that meets your needs and desires requires careful consideration. You need to weigh the pros and cons of each factor to ensure you make an informed decision. Your budget, of course, plays a significant role in determining your options. It's the foundation upon which all other decisions are built. It's crucial to set a realistic budget that aligns with your income and expenses. This means taking a close look at your monthly earnings and outgoings to see what you can comfortably afford. Don't forget to factor in additional costs like utilities, renter's insurance, and parking. These can add up quickly and significantly impact your overall budget. Location is another critical factor to consider. The right location can make a huge difference in your daily life and overall satisfaction with your new home. Do you prioritize proximity to work, access to public transportation, or a vibrant neighborhood with plenty of amenities? Each of these can affect your commute, social life, and convenience. Think about your lifestyle and what matters most to you in terms of location. Do you prefer a quiet suburban area or a bustling urban environment? Finally, amenities can greatly enhance your living experience. They can add comfort, convenience, and even a touch of luxury to your daily routine. Do you crave the convenience of in-unit laundry, the luxury of a swimming pool, or the security of a gated community? These features can make a significant difference in your quality of life. Make a list of must-have amenities and nice-to-haves to help you narrow down your search. This will help you stay focused and ensure you find a place that truly meets your needs and desires. Remember, finding the perfect apartment is about balancing your budget, location, and amenities to create a harmonious living environment. Section 4. Navigating the digital jungle: online tools for apartment hunting. Gone are the days of scouring through endless newspaper classifieds. In today's digital age, a plethora of online tools and resources can simplify your apartment search. Websites and apps like Zillow, Apartments.com, and Trulia offer vast databases of available rentals, complete with photos, floor plans, and virtual tours. Use these platforms to your advantage by setting up search filters that align with your criteria. Define your desired location, budget, number of bedrooms, and other essential features to narrow down your options. Many of these websites also offer additional features like neighborhood ratings, crime statistics, and school information, providing valuable insights to inform your decision-making. Don't underestimate the power of social media in your apartment hunt. Join local Facebook groups, follow real estate agents on Instagram, and keep an eye out for rental listings shared within your network. Section 5. It's who you know: leveraging your network in the apartment search. While online tools are incredibly helpful, don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned networking. The digital age has made it easier than ever to find listings, but sometimes the best opportunities come from personal connections. Let your friends, family, colleagues, and former classmates know that you're on the hunt for a new place. They might have insights or know someone who is moving out soon. You never know who might have a lead on a hidden gem or be aware of an upcoming vacancy. Sometimes the best apartments are the ones that aren't widely advertised. Word-of-mouth referrals can be incredibly valuable, often leading to apartments that haven't even hit the market yet. These exclusive opportunities can give you a competitive edge. Networking can also provide valuable insights into different neighborhoods, property management companies, and the overall rental landscape in your area. Your network can offer first-hand experiences and honest opinions that you won't find in online reviews. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations, advice, or even just personal experiences to gain a better understanding of the market. People are often more than willing to share their stories and tips. Remember, finding an apartment is often a social endeavor. The more you engage with others, the more likely you are to hear about opportunities that aren't listed online. The more people you connect with, the wider your net will be cast, increasing your chances of finding that perfect place. So attend social events, join community groups, and don't hesitate to strike up conversations about your apartment search. You never know where your next lead might come from. Additionally, consider joining local online communities or social media groups dedicated to housing and rentals. These platforms can be a goldmine for insider information and off-market listings. Engaging with your local community can also help you learn about neighborhood events, safety, and amenities, which are crucial factors when choosing a new home. In summary, leveraging your network is about more than just finding a place to live. It's about building relationships and gathering valuable information that can make your apartment search more effective and enjoyable. So reach out, connect, and let your network work for you. Happy apartment hunting. Section 6. Pounding the pavement: the power of neighborhood exploration. While online research and networking are essential, nothing beats experiencing a neighborhood firsthand. Once you've identified potential areas that align with your criteria, take the time to visit them in person. Walk or bike around, explore the streets, and soak up the atmosphere. Pay attention to the vibe of the neighborhood, the availability of parking, the proximity to public transportation, and the presence of parks, shops, and restaurants. Visiting a neighborhood allows you to get a feel for its safety, noise level, and overall livability. It's also a great opportunity to spot for rent signs that might not be advertised online. Talk to local residents, business owners, or even dog walkers to gather first-hand insights into the neighborhood's character and any potential pros or cons.